2011 is almost here, so before the ball drops, we wanted to take a moment to reflect on the past year. Andy Crouppen from Brown & Crouppen is here to talk about what we have learned in 2010, and I understand he has some quiz questions prepared based on past interviews. We'll see how I do after I failed the nutrition test. Yesterday, I'm sure to fail this one as well. Okay, I'm ready. I'm a little nervous.
We've come a long way this year.
Yes, we've covered a lot
Yes.
with you on Great Day St. Louis and Brown & Crouppen. Okay, so.
I brought my own teleprompter here.
Here we go.
First one should be easy because you're barely out of your teenage years.
I don't owe him money.
How much sleep do teenagers need?
Oh, because is there something wrong with your mic, dear?
Uh-oh.
Where's your mic? Oh, what did you do?
I'm sitting on it.
You totally...
Take two.
What part of you was talking? Okay.
We've come so far this
year,
you go.
Carol. Okay.
Since you're barely out of your teenage years, I don't want to miss that line.
Yes.
This one should be easy for you. How much sleep do teenagers need?
Now, without looking at the answer, which they have provided for me, yesterday I got the question. We're talking about sleep deprivation issues. We talked about that on Great Day with Andy, and it's 10 hours.
She's good.
10 hours. They're not getting it in America, 10 hours.
They are not.
Okay.
In Europe, it's all the rage, though. They're all sleeping all What are the two types of sleep deprivation?
I have no idea.
Oh, come on.
Well,
Acute?
Okay, that's
and
just... And chronic.
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 Yeah, see?
Okay, so acute is, it just happens...
You know, a night of missed sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation is, you know, people who are up till 2 in the morning and getting up at 6 in the morning every day and just having these residual effects. That really can cause more problems than acute sleep deprivation.
And certainly becomes a legal issue because a lot of accidents happen because people are sleep deprived.
Sure.
So, okay. Question number 3.
Okay, let's move on to cyber safety.
Okay, I've got this one.
Where is the worst place to put a computer in terms of cyber safety and parental monitoring?
That would be in your child's room. We all know that.
Yeah, we do.
Absolutely.
We are good. Where's the best place?
In the family room.
I think so. That's what I would say
And
as
the idea being that you can see what they're doing. We need to see what they're doing, okay? We've got that when we talked about baby gear issues. Is this my next question?
It is.
Okay.
You're not even answering the questions.
I did answer.
No, I'm saying you're anticipating. You're answering before I even get to
I'm
it.
ready, because I'm doing so well.
You did your homework. What does the law say about using safety seats for kids?
Okay. Boy, this covers a lot, because, for instance, you can't leave the hospital without your infant being in a car seat. We know that. And I understand, too, that they have to be in booster seats up to 70 pounds, maybe. So it's weight and age.
Yeah, which is crazy, the 70-pound thing, because probably in junior high school, there are some smaller kids who probably still don't weigh 70 pounds. So I think there are some age guidelines as well, because I'm sure theoretically there are some 15-year-olds who weigh 70 pounds, and that would be silly to have them in a car seat. But generally, it's a weight guideline until that sort of overtakes an appropriate age.
We have buried the lead with Brown & Crouppen. And by the way, if you have a legal question for Brown & Crouppen, email us at greatday@kmov.com.